Got our big old adapter curb, big old 15-ton hanging off the side of the flatbed. You guys ready? Yeah. Yeah, put some on that side too.
We have enough?
We got enough. That should be enough. I got another roll in the truck. Okay, watch out guys. 15-ton behemoth. Get out of the way. Oh crap, we gotta get those. We'll get them out.
What? We'll pump them out?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll go get it from the inside.
Get a hammer? Or?
No, a drill. We'll get it when it's off. Once we set it down. Easy, easy. Easy. Alright, come over here, Jordan.
Take off
that way. Don't get underneath it, but as soon as it starts getting down, spin it. Makes the butt pucker. Which way we need to go? Okay. This way. This way. Okay, go down nice and slow, Larry. Yeah, wait till it gets down a little lower. I don't want him to come down top of the electrical. How we looking?
Good.
About half a foot, Larry. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. We looking good? How we looking? Right there? Yeah. Okay. Real slow, Larry. Let me put this down. Good. Hey, unhook the hook there. I barely missed our electrical. Push that tab back. There you go. Spin it. There you go. You're clear, Larry. All right. Got to put a shield on it. Heater. Got it away as far as it could. All right. All done. Got in place. Yeah, just dumping condensate down. That wire 2 inch seal tight.